Hello students, so welcome to the practical series of Core Java. So here basically we'll try to solve all the programs which are listed in the list one by one. So let's start with practical number 1A. So let's understand the question of it. So write a Java program that takes a number as input and prints its multiplication table up to 10. So let's understand the steps before moving ahead. So here what we have to do is first we have to take input from the user. After taking input from the user, we have to iterate the loop till 10 because we have to show the table till 10 and multiply each value. After that, once the value is multiplied, we have to display it on the screen. So now let's start with the code. So for that we have to open our notepad. Right, so let's start with the code. So here first we'll write import java.util.scanner. So basically in the Java we have one util package which consists of scanner class. So what the scanner class will do is it will help us to take input from the user. Here we'll write class multiplication. In class multiplication we'll write public static void main string args. Right, so what does this public static void main means? Public means that it is accessible everywhere. Static means that its structure should not change, its value should not change. Void means it doesn't have any return type. Main means the entry point of our program. So here what we will do is we'll declare two variables, one is num and another one is result. Num to take input from the user and result is after multiplication the value. Next what we will do is we'll initialize the scanner class. Right, so here we have initialized the scanner class. We have given an object to it is equal to new scanner, calling the object of it, constructor of it, right, and taking input from the user. So next what we have to do is we have to inform the user that they have to enter a value to get the multiplication of the table. So what we will do is system.out.print. Here we'll write enter a number. So it will be displayed on the screen and we have written print. So what it will do is it will, the next statement which will come, it will keep that on the same line. It will not come to the next line, right? So now we have to take input from the user. So number is equal to sc dot next int. Here we have taken next int because the input we are taking should be of the type number and our data type of the variable is also integer. Right, so after taking input from the user, what we have to do is we have to loop through all the data. So int I is equal to 1 because you have to start from 1. I should be less than equal to 10. I plus plus. So it will start with 1. It will iterate till 10 using increment. After that what we have to do is we have to use result is equal to num into I. So it will iterate each I increment with the number and result store the value of the multiplication in the result variable. After that what we have to do is we have to print system.out.println. Here what we will do is we will print the value of the multiplication. So number will display the number as it is, multiplication symbol. After that we will display the iteration value is equal to plus and the result. So what will happen over here is first it will display the number, then it will display the multiplication sign which we have given in the double quotes. After that it will print the iteration value, then it will print the equal to and last is the result. So here basically the plus is used as the concatenation operator. So it merges our two strings and more than two strings into one and displays it in the output. So what we have to do here is we have to save the file with this particular name. Right, so we will paste this value dot java with the extension all files, click on save. Now what we will do is we will go to that particular folder where our file is stored. In the address bar here we will type cmd. So the command prompt is open from the directory where we have saved our file. So to compile the file, we have to write java c space multiplication dot java with the extension, and we have to enter. So our code is compiled. So once our code is compiled, a class file will be formed, right? So now what we have to do is we have to run our program. Java, just the name of the file. Click on enter. So here it has given a prompt that enter a number. So we will write 5. Click on enter. So here it has displayed the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So whatever print statement we had written, num into I is equal to result. So it has displayed the result one by one after it. So that's it from practical number 1A, that is multiplication of table. Thank you.